Jollibee, guys. This is your rice, okay? And this the chicken joy. This is the nice gravy. Look, Jollibee, and this is the peach mango pie. Next time I will try the coconut. I think this is a coconut peach. This is just mango peach. Okay, guys, let's eat. This looks yum yum yum. This is Jollibee here in Meadowhall, England, and I like it. Look, but this chicken is a bit small compared to if you are in Philippines. This gravy, by the way, it looks yummy. And this is the rice. I choose rice because I love rice. I don't like chips. It's not my favorite. So rice to chicken, and it comes to £9 something. I think this is $5.99, and this is a quid. I think this is £2 something. I think £2.99. And this is free. It comes with this one, and then the delivery, I think it was